Energy is the main driving force that fuels economic development. For the last 60 years, Chinese Petroleum Corporation has been fueling the economic growth of Taiwan. Our mission is to use the Earth's resources for the good of society, while maintaining safety and protecting the environment. We respect our homeland and cherish the people who live here with us. We are doing our utmost to give Taiwan an even brighter future. Quality, service, contribution. The Chinese Petroleum Corporation. Benchmark for businesses in Taiwan. Founded in 1946, the Chinese Petroleum Corporation is Taiwan's main energy supplier. Our professional management team and highly qualified employees are the vital force that drives company development. Our diversified business strategy has enabled us to become an all-round energy group engaged in the petroleum, natural gas, and petrochemical business. We currently employ around 15,000 people, and our business operations span the globe. Our solid business foundation has allowed us to consistently achieve excellent operational performance, making CPC a benchmark for businesses in Taiwan. Safety and environmental protection have long been our core values. Having achieved a company-wide consensus, we are continuing to make improvements. Our achievements have earned praise from the public and support by the government, and we have become a leader in environmental protection and a champion for industrial safety. Going all out for sustainable development. To preserve our living environment, we are strongly implementing environmental protection in compliance with government policy. We have spent more than 50 billion NT dollars acquiring the most advanced pollution control technology and building improved wastewater, waste gas, noise, solid waste, and groundwater treatment and prevention facilities. We have passed ISO 14001 International Environmental Management System certification thanks to the commitment of all employees in our refining units and oil fields. Through our efforts to protect the Earth, we will continue to preserve nature's boundless creations. Industrial safety is a company's social responsibility to community residents and employees. We safeguard the lives and property of our personnel and the surrounding community to ensure that our operations proceed smoothly. We pay special attention to health, safety, and fire prevention. We actively implement OSAS guidelines and have established accident prevention and safety standards that are more stringent than required by national regulations, with reference to standards adopted in Europe, the US, and Japan. We are continuing to implement the OSAS 18001 Health and Safety Management System as we relentlessly push towards our goal of zero employee accidents, zero equipment breakdowns. We have grown strong together with Taiwan, and we have made many social contributions. We actively participate in charitable activities, assist with community projects near our plants and facilities, and promote local welfare and development. We hope that with our active participation and material support, we can bring hope and prosperity to every corner of Taiwan. Providing a stable supply of petroleum products. We currently supply petroleum products including motor vehicle gasoline, aviation fuel, diesel fuel, fuel oil, and lubricating oil. We've been prospecting for gas in Taiwan and the surrounding waters over the past several decades in an effort to tap domestic energy sources. The results of these efforts have been satisfying and given us abundant experience. We began expanding the scope of our prospecting work in the 1970s with the help of foreign partners. We have participated in joint prospecting activities throughout the Middle East, Africa, the Asia-Pacific, and the Americas, and we currently have concessions being operated in 6 overseas oil fields. We have signed long-term contracts to ensure a stable supply of oil to Taiwan, and we spread our oil procurements over different regions. We now import roughly 70% of our crude oil from the Middle East, with most of the remainder coming from Southeast Asia and West Africa. We have established our own tanker fleet, and we closely monitor oil shipment tonnages in an effort to stabilize costs. We have deployed several offshore mooring buoys and specialized tanker docks to ensure high efficiency on oil offloading operations. We have several oil refineries. In an effort to improve the quality of petroleum products and increase product value, our refineries use advanced equipment and technology, plus highly effective processes. Our petroleum products enjoy a market share of over 70% in Taiwan. You will have no trouble finding CPC's friendly, familiar service all over Taiwan. We have steadily upgraded and improved our filling stations over the last few years. We have responded to changing market requirements by adding car wash, vehicle service, oil change, and convenience store services, winning rave reviews from our customers. We are using our existing resources and manpower to diversify our business services and make the most of our superior distribution network. Providing diversified energy options. We supply high-performance, low-cost natural gas, which is non-polluting, safe, and convenient to use. We also supply LPG that is used in most homes, factories, and businesses in Taiwan. Fuel has improved people's quality of life and brought countless conveniences. We have responded to the needs of the growing domestic market by establishing our own liquefied natural gas processing facilities in Taiwan, while also making substantial investments in distribution pipelines, bringing gas to many parts of the country. We currently supply gas throughout Taiwan, and a gas receiving station at Taichung Harbor that will supply Datan Power Plant of Taipower Corporation is in the planning phase. Leading the petrochemical industry. The many petrochemical raw materials we supply have fueled the thriving development of the domestic petrochemical industry. We recently formulated a global petrochemical resource integration system and established an extensive supply chain, which helps transform CPC into a petrochemical distributor and seller. Our successful efforts to keep up with expanding domestic production capacity have facilitated industrial development, making us an important promoter of investment in relating industries. Expanding international horizons. Research and development are the keys to innovation, business development, and sustainable growth. Our outstanding success at overcoming technical bottlenecks involving refining, exploration, drilling, and production has helped us substantially lower our operating and business costs. Our impressive new product development capabilities have led to our being granted 140 domestic and foreign patents, which have also established an insurmountable competitive advantage for the company. We've adopted an innovative business model calling for diversified development. In recent years, our Refining Manufacturing Research Center has introduced a number of biotech products that have been well received in the market. Our e-business initiatives have created a comprehensive platform for rapid communications, managing core technologies, and building our knowledge base. With these tools, we have been able to reduce costs while also developing innovative information services. We are currently implementing investment projects to upgrade our oil shipment, storage, and refining facilities, strengthen our petroleum product sales, and improve environmental quality. With the completion of these projects, we look forward to an even higher level of operating efficiency in the years to come. We are actively establishing strategic alliances with domestic and foreign enterprises and have founded some top-performing joint ventures. Our extensive cooperation with esteemed firms in China and overseas has enabled us to strengthen our operations network and play a leading role in the Asian petroleum industry. The fact that we've been granted the highest credit rating among domestic and Asian petroleum players reveals our strength to achieve sustainable success. Looking ahead to the future, we will respond swiftly to changing market conditions, boldly tackle new challenges, and work hand in hand with our global partners. We are ready to take our place on the world stage as a safe, environmentally friendly, and highly competitive international energy company. CPC fuels up for you, and let's fuel up for Taiwan.